Hey guys, today we're going to review and dress up the Powerpuff Girls. These dolls are so cute. Each doll comes with a little heart stand that attaches to their feet. And their eyes can move from side to side. What?
I'm angry now.
You can move their eyes up, down, to the side, in every direction imaginable. And it gives them different expressions. I'm a zombie! And the dolls look super cute from head to toe. Okay, now let's dress them up like Teen Titans Go characters. Let's start with Blossom and let's turn her into Starfire. Now we'll turn Buttercup into Raven. Let's turn Bubbles into Terra, even though she's a villain. this was so much fun! Now our Powerpuff Girls look just like some of the characters from Teen Titans Go. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Have a great day.